Good morning, my kids. Welcome to my classroom. This is Miss Sarah with you. Today we will learn about letter C. Say good morning to letter C. Good morning, letter C. This is a capital C and this is a small c. Repeat after me. Capital C, small c. Capital C, small c. Now, let's make the letter C sound. The sound of letter C is K, 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 K. Repeat after me. K, K. And now, we will know some vocab about letter C. What's this? Yes, it's a carrot. Carrot. K, K, carrot. Wow! What's this? Yes, it's a cat. Cat. K, K, cat. Let's continue. What's this picture? Yes, it's a car. Car. K, K, car. K, K, car. And this is candle. Candle. K, K, candle. Let's revise. C is for carrot. K, K, carrot. C is for cat. K, K, cat. C is for car. K, K, car. C is for candle. K, K, candle. C, carrot. C, cat. C, car. C, candle. At last, I have a question for you. Which animals eat carrots? Yes, it's a rabbit. Rabbit eats carrot. Rabbit eats carrot. Okay, thank you. See you later.